It is extremely early. I just quickly finished packing, just putting my last minute things in, and I just ordered Uber. Anyways, he should be here in 8 minutes. I'm slightly worried that my bag is like bigger than what Ryanair allows, but honestly, I'm just too tired to even try to make this any smaller. Yeah, I measured it and it's a bit over, I would say, but I hope they'll be lenient with me. It doesn't look too bad on camera, I feel like, but like when I have it on, it's like the size of my upper body, so like look at that. I don't know if they'll allow that. We'll see. Wish me luck.
We should do out, in, and then out. And then out, yeah.
And then,
like,
yeah, that's better.
In and then out, yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Okay.
Ready? Go. Cheers. Let's see. Cute.
Are we taking shoes off?
Okay, let's do shoes.
Sorry, it's like...
Do we have slippers?
I feel like they must have slippers. Cute.
That's so cute.
Let's take a look. Oh, there's a little balcony. We're facing people though.
What?
I like how we're all like white.
It's cute. Looking for the beach club. Oh, there it is.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had.
Yeah, it's like a crazy costume, but it's really original. Yeah, can we do that?
Thank you, yes.
Thank you. Good morning. It is day 2 in Malta. I'm on the balcony vlogging because I feel too awkward to do in front of them. So, anyways, we had a really late morning today. It is 12 or like almost 1 when we woke up because yesterday was just exhausting. We were up since I was up since 4 a.m. London time up till tonight, so good almost, I don't know, 18-20 hours, I don't know. But yeah, so today we don't really have any plans, but me and my other friend Janice needs to go get a COVID test because we need to take one before we go back. Jane brought one from London, which we should have done, but we didn't order in time. So yeah, post-COVID travel is a bit hectic, so we're gonna go get that test done so that we have the results before we go back, and then we have to take another one once we're back in London. But yeah, I feel like by the time I upload this video, all the rules are gonna change, so who knows if you still need to do that by that time. But yeah, Malta's really beautiful. It's really hot. It's 30 degrees. I'm wearing this cute little dress from Princess Polly today. I'm actually surprised that their stuff is pretty good. I wouldn't know, the quality's not great, but the style is really nice. Let me try and show you guys this dress, but I got this and 2 other tops. Anyways, I'm gonna go back and get ready now, and yeah. Oh, that air conditioning. The test center is pretty far away, so we're walking there.
Let the wind take control. You never would notice.
Oh no. It never gets easier.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, see, I'm okay.
Instant tears.
Oh my god.
Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me feels so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. Couldn't imagine the sadness that happens when you're flying back home. There's nowhere to hide when a stranger complains about who controls the lies. It's hard to stay focused when roses are 30,000 feet below side. You never would notice. Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes.
gonna be like the talk of it.
Baby, just drop it now. This baby lay it down. I think you need to try. It's good enough.
A lot of people. Oh, alright, it's day 3 and we're about to board a boat. The water looks so nice though. It's like green. There's already so many people on it. Oi.
Feeling fine about what went down with us. I had to take my time. I had to take my time to talk to you.
We're about to
Face to face.
not a good idea.
Can't escape the same old place. You say sorry, you gotta go. But I say wait, don't make me so. You say you gotta go. Maybe one day you never know. Been thinking we could talk it out. You make me forget what we threw this out. Were we wrong, or did it drag on too long? So we pretend like nothing's there. We say our goodbyes and we try not to share it. Were we wrong? Were we wrong? You say sorry, you gotta go. But I say wait, don't make me so. You say you gotta go. Maybe one day you never know. Been thinking we could talk it out. You make me forget what we threw this out. Were we wrong, or did it drag on too long? So we pretend like nothing's there. We say our goodbyes and we try not to share it. Were we wrong? Were we wrong? This is how it ends.
It was like we crossed the grass.
And there were some white umbrellas.
Yeah.
But I don't see them.
Oh, yeah. We're back at the beach club.
My friends on the internet talk to me more than my real ones do. I never seem to be good enough for him
paint the night, spinning our favorite songs, holding you tight, you tight.